Hello, everyone.
Let's start learning.
1601. Absorb. Plants absorb water from the soil.
1602. Accompany. I will accompany you to the store.
1603. Accomplish. We can accomplish our goals together.
1604. Adapt. Animals adapt to their environment.
1605. Adjust. Please adjust the chair.
1606. Admit. He admitted his mistake.
1607. Adopt. They decided to adopt a dog.
1608. Affect. Weather can affect our plans.
1609. Announce. They will announce the winner tomorrow.
1110. Appreciate. I appreciate your help.
1111. Approach. A man approached the front desk.
1112. Approve. The manager approved my request.
1113. Argue. We should not argue about small things.
1114. Avoid. I avoid driving in heavy traffic.
1115. Belong. This jacket belongs to me.
1116. Blame. Do not blame others for your mistakes.
1117. Breathe. Breathe slowly and relax.
1118. Calculate. I calculated the total price.
1119. Celebrate. We celebrate our anniversary every year.
1120. Combine. Combine the flour and sugar.
1221. Communicate. We communicate by email.
1222. Complete. Please complete the form.
1223. Concern. The problem concerns everyone.
1224. Connect. Connect the charger to the phone.
1225. Consist. The team consists of 10 players.
1226. Contact. Please contact me tomorrow.
1227. Continue. Practice your English every day.
1228. Contribute. Everyone can contribute an idea.
1229. Convince. She convinced me to join the class.
1230. Correct. Please correct my pronunciation.
1331. Damage. The storm damaged the roof.
1332. Deal. I can deal with this problem.
1333. Decrease. The temperature will decrease tonight.
1334. Delay. Heavy traffic delayed the bus.
1335. Demand. Customers demand good service.
1336. Deny. He denied taking the money.
1337. Describe. Please describe your hometown.
1338. Destroy. Fire can destroy a building.
1339. Determine. We need to determine the cause.
1340. Discover. Scientists discover new things.
1341. Encourage. Teachers encourage students to learn.
1342. Establish. They established a new company.
1343. Examine. The doctor examined my arm.
1344. Exchange. We exchanged phone numbers.
1345. Expand. The company plans to expand.
1346. Expect. I expect good results.
1347. Experience. I experienced something new today.
1348. Explain. Please explain the problem.
1349. Explore. We explored the old city.
1350. Express. She expressed her feelings clearly.
1351. Achieve. You can achieve your dream.
1352. Advance. Technology continues to advance.
1353. Attempt. He made an attempt to speak English.
1354. Benefit. Exercise benefits your health.
1356. Challenge. This lesson will challenge you.
1357. Develop. Practice develops your skills.
1358. Educate. Schools educate young people.
1359. Influence. Friends can influence our choices.
1360. Inspire. Her story inspired me.
1361. Maintain. I maintain a healthy lifestyle.
1362. Manage. She manages a busy office.
1363. Organize. Please organize your desk.
1364. Participate. Everyone can participate in the game.
1365. Perform. The singer performed on stage.
1366. Prepare. I prepare breakfast every morning.
1367. Prevent. Exercise can prevent some health problems.
1368. Produce. The farm produces fresh milk.
1369. Protect. Sunscreen protects your skin.
1370. Realize. I realized my mistake.
1371. Reduce. We need to reduce waste.
1372. Reflect. The mirror reflects light.
1373. Refuse. He refused the invitation.
1374. Relate. I can relate to your experience.
1375. Remove. Please remove your shoes.
1376. Require. This job requires experience.
1377. Respond. Please respond to my message.
1378. Reveal. The test revealed the answer.
1379. Select. Select your favorite picture.
1380. Separate. Separate the paper from the plastic.
1381. Solve. We solved the problem.
1382. Suggest. I suggest taking the bus.
1383. Support. My family supports my goals.
1384. Survive. Animals need water to survive.
1385. Treat. Treat people with kindness.
1386. Trust. I trust my best friend.
1387. Vary. Prices vary from store to store.
1388. Warn. The sign warns drivers.
1389. Wonder. I wonder where she is.
1190. Accept. I accept your apology.
1191. Recognize. I recognize his voice.
1192. Recommend. I recommend this book.
1193. Remember. Remember to practice every day.
1194. Replace. Replace the old battery.
1195. Represent. This picture represents peace.
1196. Respect. We respect our teachers.
1197. Share. Please share your ideas.
1198. Succeed. You will succeed with practice.
1199. Understand. I understand the lesson.
1700. Progress. Your English progress is amazing. Excellent job.
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 18.
Goodbye and happy learning!